I mean, a lot of people will say, well, you have a degree from Duke University. You could easily be making a salary way more than $19,000 a year and not being on food stamps. What do you say to that?
I felt really bad about being on food stamps for a while. They're just for people who really, really need it, I thought, and I'm like living this flippant lifestyle in San Francisco.
Do you think you really, really need it?
Well, yeah, and eventually I just sort of realized that even though I'm 24, like, I still have responsibilities, I still have like hopes for my future, and if I need to be on food stamps to make that happen, then maybe I do really need it.
Where'd you go shopping yesterday?
I went to Trader Joe's. Nice. I also went to the farmer's market, which you can shop at the farmer's market on food stamps.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're looking at price?
I'm looking at price, and it's sort of, I have this desire to buy organic, I agree with it too, but also, you know, occasionally I'll buy stuff and I'll take the stickers off so my roommates don't know one way or the other if it's organic or not. They're gonna get mad at me if it's not organic. Can you even buy organic vanilla extract? I can go comparison shopping. If I was like the head of a household and I was really busy and I was working 2 jobs, multiple shifts, I think it'd be way harder to eat healthy.
Were there things that were like you thought of as luxuries before that now you can get? Do you think you're splurging
oh my gosh,
anything?
I bought goat cheese yesterday. It was really exciting. I think it's a big conundrum. It's not just solved by like having enough money for food, so food stamps get you part of the way there, but it's hard.